So here we have a Nintendo Switch mount, which is pretty neat. It has 8 game holders, an on and off button which charges your remote controls at the same time as having it mounted on. It is really nice. My husband compromised because I like to have counter space to decorate, and so he mounted the Switch to have it displayed. Also mounted the Xbox, and yeah, it is a really good product to have. All the cables stay together on one side. You mount it with anchors and a screw, so 2 screws, 2 anchors behind, and your Xbox fits right in. You charge it. It is really, really nice to have. It also has this compartment back here for you, basically, to put all your little remote control attachments. But if you don't want them up there, you can also slide them back here. Then those hang right there. Sweet. I'm gonna show you how it looks from 4. Pretty neat. I really recommend this product. It is very nice.